Let me ask you a question. How much of your week is spent doing work that requires your expertise? And how much of your week is spent formatting, rewriting, organizing, summarizing, and trying to get information into usable form? For many professionals and entrepreneurs, the answer is uncomfortable. We are not always overwhelmed because every task is difficult. Sometimes we are overwhelmed because small tasks accumulate. Small tasks create large workloads. Welcome to Module 4. In this lesson, we are going to use AI for practical productivity. I want you to begin looking at your daily work differently. Instead of asking, "Can AI do my job?" ask, which parts of my work involve transforming information from one form into another? Notes into an email, a meeting transcript into action items, research into a summary, ideas into an outline, a long document into study notes, a job description and experience history into a stronger resume draft. AI is particularly useful for this type of information transformation. Let me give you a simple workflow. Capture, clarify, create, check. First, capture. Give AI the information required for the task. For example, imagine I have these rough notes: meeting with team, website late, Sarah follow-up. Those notes are messy, but I could tell AI, these are rough meeting notes. Organize them into decisions, action items, owners, and deadlines. Do not invent missing owners or deadlines. Notice the instruction. Do not invent missing information. That is important. AI should help organize, not quietly manufacture facts to make the document look complete. Second, clarify. Before asking AI to create the final output, identify ambiguity. You could say, review these notes and list any information that is unclear or missing. Third, create. Ask for the output. Create a concise meeting summary with sections: purpose, key decisions, action items, open questions, and next meeting priorities. Fourth, check. Review the output. Ask. Compare the summary against my original notes. Identify anything you added that was not explicitly stated. Let's look at common productivity applications. Email. Instead of saying, write an email, provide the communication goal. Draft a professional but warm email about a delay. Take responsibility without over-explaining. Explain the revised date and corrective action. You can also say, preserve my meaning, improve clarity, grammar, and flow. Meeting summaries. Ask AI to distinguish what was discussed, what was decided, who owns the action, when is it due, what remains unresolved. This distinction matters. Research synthesis. This is an area where you must be careful. Use AI to create a research map. Identify major questions, competing perspectives, and primary sources. Clearly distinguish established facts from questions requiring further verification. Notice that I did not say, tell me everything and I will believe you. Use AI to structure the process. Content drafting. Turn one idea into a structured article outline. Include a provocative opening, 3 arguments, and a closing leadership question. AI helps build the skeleton. Resume improvement. Compare your resume against a job description. Identify relevant experience already present that is not being communicated clearly. Improvement is not deception. Study notes. Turn notes into a study guide with key concepts, definitions, and self-test questions. Do not provide answers until asked. Now, AI becomes a study assistant. Every time you are about to rewrite, summarize, organize, convert notes, create a first draft, compare information, or extract action items, pause and ask, could AI help me complete the first 60 to 80% of this information processing task? Not the final responsibility, the first structured draft. Automate the draft, own the judgment. Saving time is only valuable if you decide what you are saving it for. More thinking, more strategic work, more rest, more time with people who matter. Productivity should not simply help you become a faster machine. The goal is to allocate your human attention more intentionally. Your exercise for this module is simple. Choose 3 real tasks from your week. Complete 1 communication task, 1 organization task, and 1 analysis task. Then record 2 things. How much time did the AI workflow take? And what did you still need to review or improve manually? This is how you build your system. In Module 5, we move into content creation. The goal is not to let AI erase your voice, but to teach it enough about your patterns so that it can support your voice effectively. I'll see you in Module 5.